Millionaires know this feeling well, the moment when movement stops being about getting somewhere and starts becoming a statement about who you are. This motorhome lives exactly in that space. It isn't loud, it isn't desperate for attention, and it doesn't try to shock. Instead, it moves with quiet confidence, carrying an unmistakable presence that only those at the top of the world truly recognize. From the outside, its form is smooth, refined, and intentional, designed not to impress everyone, but to resonate deeply with the few who understand what true luxury actually means. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts instantly. The lounge welcomes you first, not with excess, but with calm. This is a space designed to slow time down. Soft, rounded seating wraps the room gently, inviting you to sit, stretch out, and breathe. The materials feel warm under your hand, carefully chosen to balance elegance and comfort. Golden ambient lighting flows through the ceiling and walls, never harsh, never distracting, creating a glow that feels like late evening light even in the middle of the day. A single-centered table anchors the room, understated yet intentional, topped with a simple floral detail that reminds you this is not a machine to endure, but a space meant to be lived in. Large tinted windows frame the outside world like a moving artwork, letting landscapes drift by while you remain completely at ease. As you move deeper inside, the bedroom reveals itself quietly, almost respectfully. This isn't a bedroom designed to show off, it's designed to let go. At its heart sits a beautifully proportioned round bed, instantly recognizable, deeply inviting, and undeniably real. Draped in off-white and cream bedding, it softens the entire space, creating a sense of warmth that contrasts gently with the refined structure around it. The lighting here is subtle and deliberate, with golden tones tucked behind surfaces and beneath edges, making the room feel cocooned without ever feeling closed. Side tables sit comfortably within reach, ready for a book, a glass, or nothing at all. This is a bedroom meant for rest after long journeys, late nights of conversation, or quiet mornings where the world waits for you instead of the other way around. Flowing naturally from the bedroom, the dressing area feels more like a private ritual space than a functional necessity. Every inch is used intelligently, yet nothing feels cramped. Wardrobes rise seamlessly along the walls, their finishes soft and calming, opening to reveal carefully organized storage illuminated by warm internal light. A full-length mirror reflects the space gently rather than dramatically, while a built-in bench offers a place to sit, pause, and prepare for the day ahead. This area doesn't rush you. It allows you to move at your own pace, reinforcing the idea that time, here, is entirely yours. The kitchen and dining area continue this philosophy of quiet excellence. Nothing is overstated, yet everything is refined. Surfaces are smooth and warm, designed to feel residential rather than technical. The layout is compact but deeply functional, with appliances seamlessly integrated and storage hidden behind clean lines. A small dining nook offers an intimate place to share a meal, whether it's a simple breakfast on the road or a carefully prepared dinner enjoyed while parked somewhere unforgettable. The golden lighting softens the space, making it feel less like a galley and more like a private apartment that happens to move with you. Nearby, the office space introduces a different kind of luxury, focus. This is not a loud workspace filled with distractions. It's a calm corner where productivity feels effortless. A built-in desk curves gently from the wall, paired with a comfortable chair that encourages long sessions without strain. A laptop, books, a mug, and a small decorative touch sit naturally on the surface, reminding you that work here doesn't feel like obligation, it feels like control. Light is warm and controlled, designed to support concentration rather than overwhelm it. Whether managing businesses, reviewing investments, or planning your next destination, this space exists to serve you quietly and efficiently. The bathroom reinforces the idea that realism is the highest form of luxury. Everything you expect is here, and nothing unnecessary intrudes. Clean surfaces, a thoughtfully integrated sink and vanity, a modern toilet, and a glass shower enclosure come together in a space that feels balanced and refined. The lighting remains warm and calming, turning routine moments into small rituals. Even in a compact footprint, nothing feels compromised. It simply works, beautifully. Beyond the essentials, the motorhome introduces a moment of indulgence that feels almost surreal in its subtlety, the mini pool spa. This is not a gimmick, and it's certainly not oversized. It's a compact, intimate water space designed for one purpose, relaxation. The water sits quietly within a recessed pool, glowing softly with golden light beneath the surface. Curved walls surround the area, creating a sense of privacy and calm. This is where stress dissolves after long days, where silence becomes a luxury of its own, and where the idea of mobility meets pure stillness. The gym area continues the theme of intentional simplicity. Rather than overwhelming you with equipment you'll never use, it focuses on what matters. A treadmill, a bike, and a small set of weights sit neatly within the space, ready when you are. The environment is clean, focused, and energizing without being aggressive. Golden lighting adds warmth, making workouts feel less like discipline and more like personal care. Passenger seating is designed with the same respect for comfort and calm. Individual recliner-style seats offer proper support for long journeys, wrapped in soft upholstery that feels more like a private jet than a vehicle. The layout ensures space to relax without disconnecting from the journey outside. Light flows gently around the seats, reinforcing the sense that travel here is not something to endure, but something to enjoy. Finally, the cockpit brings everything together. This is where control meets serenity. The driving position is commanding yet comfortable, with a clean dashboard layout that feels intuitive rather than intimidating. The steering wheel sits naturally in your hands, and the panoramic windshield opens the road ahead like a promise. Subtle golden lighting traces the contours of the cockpit, offering warmth without distraction. This is a place designed for long drives, clear thinking, and confident decisions. When it comes to pricing, this motorhome exists in a category of its own. It is not meant to be accessible, and it does not apologize for that. This is a vehicle created for millionaires, and realistically, for billionaires, who understand that true luxury is not about owning more, but about owning better. This is a private world on wheels, built for those who value discretion, craftsmanship, and freedom above all else. So the real question isn't whether you can afford it. The question is where you would go first if it were yours. Would you disappear into mountain roads, follow the coastline endlessly, or park somewhere quiet and let the world come to you? If this vision resonates with you, if this way of moving through life feels like the next step, then the journey has already begun. Reach out, explore what's possible, and step into a form of travel reserved for those who choose to live without limits.